Hi, today we want to make a funny strategy uh, based off chance, random, long and short. If our number is odd, we have a short position on on yeah and to sorry should be yeah on 11. Okay, on 11, if our number is even, we have long position. Okay, then we can add even TP and SL. Okay, let's check it. Let's do it. Here, first we declare my hour. Okay, on every day on which time it should open. Okay, we want it open on 11. Okay, so we write 10. Okay, we don't write 11 because when we write 10 at end of 10, okay, it's open position. Okay, end of 10 will be beginning of 11. Okay, so if you see, as you see here, it's open position on beginning of 11. Okay, so to have a random number, I use random master random from 1 until 10. Okay, but we need a integer. We don't need a float number. To avoid to have a float number, I use mass.rand. Okay, so for example, this give us this number. Okay, we use mass.rand, so it give us 2. Okay, this round it. Okay, make it run this function. Okay, then I say, okay, so I say if hour, okay, if current hour is equal to my hour. Okay, so if random remaining random. Okay, if remaining random, if remaining random divide 2. Okay, for example, our number is 8, we divide it to 2, so our remaining is 0. Okay, so this is, we understand this is even. Okay, so it confirm number is even. So if it's even, open a long position. Okay, and show my number random numbers. Okay, else it's odd, so open a short position. Okay, as you see, and this is result. Okay, this is result, and we can use it to understand, to find out is chance, is a random entry can give us profit or not.